Reading with Val. Hi everyone, my name is Valerie and Valeria, and today we are going to be opening the November Owlcrate Junior box. And we are going to do this Taboo style. And Taboo is, if you don't know what it is, it's a game and you basically have the items on a flashcard and then the words that you can't say. And then you're trying to describe it not using those words. And Olivia is going to look inside what's inside the box and describe it. And I am going to try and guess what it is. So let's open it. Olivia, open.
This is where you put something inside a book.
You put it inside the book. Is it a bookmark?
Yes!
Woohoo! It is a magnetic bookmark. Here's what it looks like.
Yes. Let's put it in. It's like superheroes, but it doesn't.
Okay. Next item.
It's where you can peel it off on the back and stick it somewhere.
A sticker.
Yes.
Ooh, I think this is this month's November sticker. Every single month they have a sticker, and it's been really cool collecting them.
Yeah. Next item is you will put pieces together and make it to a picture.
Oh, okay. Puzzle.
Yes. Look.
It's a 100-piece puzzle. Oh, I heard like sort of like a fairy tale about a house and it has chicken legs and it's a fairy tale, so I think this might be it.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah. So next up, this is where you put keys into.
Is it like those like loop things that you put the keys into?
Yeah.
Is it like a loop and you put it?
Yeah.
Ooh, it's a keychain.
Yes, it is.
It's a keychain that is purple and it has this really cool design.
Yeah, really.
Super cool.
Super cool. This is where you put things and there's a zipper that you can keep it.
Is it like a pencil pouch? Maybe of some sort? It's a pencil pouch. It's a pencil pouch. This is so
Okay.
it's like magical.
Yeah.
Close
your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. You have to smell this.
It's the book.
Yes.
It smells like a book.
You can keep it.
Howl's Moving Castle. Sounds scary.
And next up, you're gonna do the same thing too. Can you smell it?
No, not really.
It's kind of the same thing.
It's a book too. Wow. This book is called Cinders and Sparrows.
Yeah,
and it's by Stefan Bachmann.
Wow.
It says, "Dear reader, when I was younger, I longed to be a mysterious orphan who inherited a castle. My family and I had just moved to a far-off country. I couldn't speak the language, and so I spent much of my time daydreaming about finding my way to some enchanted place where I could be a powerful mage. and wear sharp black uniforms and investigate hauntings. And one day I invented a story rather similar to this one about a child exploring a vast and dangerous house and learning the magical acts. 15 years later, I wrote it down. This book contains haunted sitting rooms, monstrous creatures, enchanted staircases, twist secrets, and treachery. But it's about home. It's about finding a place to belong in a sometimes confusing and unkind world. I've noticed that in all of my books are about that. And I've always hoped that those who need it will be able to find a home in stories like this one. Blackbird Castle is yours now. Here is your letter inviting you in. Thank you for reading. Enjoy looking about, but beware the blue stairs. Ooh, this sounds so scary. There's also a really cool bookmark. And then there's like a little sentence and it says, it was an excellent day for which to return to our ancestral home. And there is the author's book plate sticker, which I'm going to put on.
We did it! Yay!
And we have the next, December's Owlcrate Jr. theme is Winged Beasts. And it says, open a magical door and enter a world of unknown beasts and characters next month with the first in what is sure to be a timeless new fantasy series. This funny and unforgettable journey will be perfect for fans of Alice in Wonderland, Nevermore, The Midnight Hour, and I'll Be Effie Stone. These items are super amazing. Is that all of it?
Yes.
What's your favorite item in this box?
Maybe all of these.
Cool. I'm really looking forward to doing the puzzle and also using the pencil pouch.
Yeah.
And of course, reading this mysterious stuff. Thank you for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to read on, have fun, and dream big. See you guys later.